Hi everyone, this is Mr. West. We're doing a Khan Academy activity today on volume of cylinders. Cylinders are a 3D shape. It's much like a prism. A prism is a shape that has two parallel bases that match in dimension and everything, and they're parallel to each other. And then they're separated by a height. Okay, that's the distance between the two bases. Now, for any prism, the volume is equal to the area of one of those bases times the height. So for a cylinder, the volume is going to be pretty simple. The volume is going to be equal to the area of one of the bases, in this case, because it's a circle. Okay, essentially, a cylinder is a circular prism. Our area for that circle is going to be pi r squared. So that's going to be the area of the base. So we're just going to put in pi r squared, and then of course it's just times h. So we just have to put in a couple things into our formula. One, we have to put in our radius, and it's given. It's given as 6. That's the distance from the center to the circumference. So we know 6 squared is our radius. I'm going to put pi there. I'm going to use a different color for pi. Boom. Okay, and then I have my height. So my height is the distance between the two bases, so that is 4. And I just want to make sure they're all in the same units. It doesn't even give us units, it just says units cubed. So we're pretty much set here. Now we're going to just calculate the volume by, it says we can leave in exact terms of pi, so we're going to put this at the end. Okay, we're not going to worry about the pi. We're going to handle that at the end. So we're going to do 36, that's 6 squared, times 4. And we get 144 when we do that. 100, whoops, wrong device. 144, we're going to leave the pi alone, and that's our volume. It's as simple as that. Okay, so we're going to put that in, 144, don't forget the pi. Units cubed. Next question. Same formula here. This one is pretty basic, Khan Academy. Pi r squared h, okay? In this case, r is 4, so we have 4 squared. Our height between the two bases is 3, and then times pi. We're just going to leave that pi tagged at the end. So we have 16 times 3, 48, I believe. And it is 48. So we have 48, that's 16 times 3, 48. Leave the pi alone, 48 pi units cubed. Remember that let's say you didn't have that units cubed tagged at the end, like this Khan Academy is doing for us. Anytime we're dealing with volume, it's cubic units. So make sure you guys handle that correctly. So we have volume equals pi r squared h. Sometimes it will give you the diameter. Let's say that it gives you the diameter is 10. Just know that you're going to have to divide by 2 to find the radius. So 5 squared times 6, that's 25 times 6 should be 150. 150 pi, leave that pi tagged at the end. This Khan Academy is making it easy for us. 150, whoops, 150 pi. Okay, and we have one more, and I'm guessing it's going to make it easy for us. We're just going to do 3 squared, that's 9, times the height, which is 6, and then times pi. So we get 54, whoops, 54 pi units cubed, and we're done. It's that simple. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to check out some of my other videos on volume, geometry, any topic that you need. The comment section is for you. So if you want to leave a comment on something you need covered, something you need help with, let me know. I'm here for you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time on West Explains Best.